Hello students, welcome in virtual classroom. Let's facilitate learning. Today we are going to discuss icebreakers and brainstorming activities of fourth lesson titled as Big Data, Big Insights. Before discussing about icebreakers activities, let's try to know what the lesson is about. Today's world is the world of information and telecommunication. Every day, new technology and inventions are being made in the area of information processing and traveling. The whole world has become a small place today. Any information can be exchanged by people in few seconds. These technologies are becoming a part and parcel of our lives. They are transforming our lifestyles and habits. Digital technology is playing a vital role in our day to day life. The lesson Big Data, Big Insights reveals how information and technology changed the present scenario in a very systematic way. Human lifestyle has absolutely been affected by big data. It has become a rapidly growing part of today's society. The whole lesson is highlighted with 8 important revolutionary outcomes with valuable insights of human development. बिग डेटा बिग इन्साइट्स म्हणजेच माहितीचा खजिना प्रचंड अंतर्दृष्टीचा एक अद्भुत आविष्कार. आजचे युग हे माहिती तंत्रज्ञानाचे युग म्हणून ओळखले जाते. दिवसेंदिवस हे क्षेत्र अधिकाधिक विकसित होत चाललेले आहे. संगणक, इंटरनेट, ऑनलाईन, मोबाईल, फेसबुक, व्हॉट्सॲप, यूट्यूब, गुगल यासारखे शब्द आपल्या जीवनाचा अविभाज्य भाग बनत चाललेले आहेत. प्रस्तुत पाठामध्ये माहिती तंत्रज्ञानाच्या क्रांतीमुळे जवळपास सर्वच क्षेत्रांमध्ये किती आमूलाग्र बदल घडून आलेले आहेत याचे वास्तव वर्णन केलेले आहे. संपूर्ण मानवी जीवन व जीवनशैली ही माहिती तंत्रज्ञानाच्या वाढत्या प्रभावामुळे किती बदलली आहे हे एकूण 8 मुद्द्यांच्या साहाय्याने मांडण्यात आलेले आहे. नाउ लेट्स ट्राय टू डिस्कस द icebreakers activities which are given in our 12th standard textbook page number 35. Give business suggestions to the respective industry or company for the following situation. If we have any of the situation, what will be the suggestion? Here students are asked to suggest something for the given sentences. Here we have 5 sentences. First one, many passengers prefer morning flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. from Mumbai to Delhi. And the suggestion is increase the number of flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. Second sentence, many students are applying for or opting for UPSC and MPSC exams. And the suggestion for it is increase the number of private online study centers publish books. Third situation is many people go for morning walk to Kamla Nehru Park. And the suggestion for the situation is increase the number of tea stalls and other shops out of the park. Fourth situation, many people buy clothes from miracle.com on online shopping site. And suggestion for the situation is increase more varieties of products with attractive offers. Fifth situation, the viewership on television is more between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. And the suggestion for the situation is increase the number of advertisements with double rates. Next icebreaker activity, people get information from various sources. Name them. So which are the sources of information which are really changed the scenario of social life of human beings? Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Wikipedia, books, newspapers, database, and television are some of the important sources of information. Next activity, explain the term big data. What is big data? How it helps? Powerful effect on people's lifestyle, food habits, health, and travel. All online activities are recorded, monitored, and analyzed. Collection of huge amount of data in petabytes or exabytes. Increasing in volume, variation, velocity, veracity, and value. Used to give insights, a very complex process, useful in industry. And purpose of using data is important than the amount of data. So, different fields where big data is used effectively. So, which are the fields? Which are the sectors in which big data is playing vital or crucial role? First of all, sports, then location tracking, then healthcare industry, entertainment and media, understanding weather pattern, banking, finance and trading, education industry and advertising are the different fields where big data is used effectively. So here we are going to complete the web. The central idea of the web is industrial and company data increasing in five main things. So which are these things? Volume means praman, variation means vividata, then velocity means speed, means veg, veracity means satyata, and value means mulya. Next activity question. YouTube has many videos on various things. Listen to the uses and health benefits of lemon and share them with your friends. So, which are the various benefits of lemon? Improve digestion, boost immunity by vitamin C, help control weight, prevent kidney stones, reduce cancer risk, best for skin, teeth, and hair. So, these are some of the benefits of lemon. Next activity, make pointwise notes from the lesson regarding the use of following applications. संगणकीय माहितीचे वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रातील उपयोग. पुढील 8 मुद्द्यांच्या सहाय्याने संपूर्ण पाठ्यांश सारांश रूपाने मांडण्यात आलेला आहे. फर्स्ट, लोकेशन ट्रॅकिंग. Use of GPS and Google Maps, use of geographic positioning, use of radio frequency identification, useful in traffic management, helps to locate accident prone areas, useful to plan our own travel route, can track the online ordered goods, and helpful for logistic companies. Second, understanding weather. Use of weather sensors and satellites. Use data continuously received. Help to understand weather forecast. Making us aware about natural calamities. Helpful for necessary preparations. Useful to study global warming. Useful to predict availability of natural resources. Healthcare industry. Use of smart watches and health apps. Use of many biomedical devices. Collected data gives new insights. Detect heart rate, monitor sleep pattern, 24/7 monitoring in hospitals, useful in exercise, provides feedback, use of gadgets to monitor sugar and BP, useful for better diagnosis, helpful in maintaining past records, better monitoring of diseases, individual suggestions and solutions, banking, finance, and trading. Investment patterns can be studied, helped banks and companies with suitable plans, enabled smooth functioning, cyber crimes and frauds are predicted and prevented, easy analysis of past data, handles missed transaction and failed issues, monitors financial markets, use in high frequency trading, algorithms used for trading decisions, and support to equity trading. Sports, permutations and combinations of statistical analysis in live matches, recording of matches, training and workouts. Sports persons' performance is studied, improved individual and team performance. The sensors helped to understand the game, gives information about field condition and weather. Video analytics helped to see minute performance. The next field, advertising. Advertisers are biggest players. Use of Facebook, Google, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, etc. Provides a great deal of data. Can run targeted campaigns. Use of data analysis techniques and clicking gets different results. Next field, entertainment and media. Focuses targeting people, provides right content at right time, use of our past views and behaviors, shows different recommendations, effectively used by Netflix and YouTube, increasing engagement and revenues, also used by television broadcasters. Next field, education industry. Inundated the education industry. Information about students and study. Can prepare learning programs. Can design course material. Understands students' choices and difficulties. Information of courses and specialities. Results help to gauge process. Helpful as career guidance. Improvement in operational effectiveness. Provided solution as biggest pitfalls. Enhance the progress of students. Next activity question. Precautions to take when asked for personal details on social media. So which are the precautions one will take when doing some of the activity on social media, or when one is asked for the personal details? Let's discuss about that. Make sure whether you know the person well. Remember, bank never asks you personal details. Never keep your personal details public. Do not respond spam mails. Keep your password strong and changing. Do not accept unknown friend requests. Complain to cybercrime department if you have any of the call regarding your personal details. Next activity, all the data received is not used for positive things. Make a list of the negative things which can be done with the help of big data. So here are some things which are given as an answer: data hacking, virus attack, misuse of personal data, credit or debit card fraud, and excessive advertising are some of the negative things which can be done with the help of big data. Next activity. Guess the meaning of the following items or phrases and use them in sentences of your own. First phrase which is given here is one size fits all, means suitable for or used in all circumstances. For example, the wristwatches have adjustable belts, so one size fits all. Next term, once in a blue moon means very rarely or sometimes. For example, my dad is working in USA and he visits home once in a blue moon every couple of years. Next phrase which is given is one man army means a dominant and capable person. For example, he was a one man army on the hill. Next term which is given here is once bitten twice shy means a first unpleasant and bad experience. For example, she certainly won't talk her again, once beaten, twice shy. And next, one up on means to get an advantage over someone. For example, I think I'm one up on the other candidates for this post. Let's speak about grammar, the activity which is given in our textbook. Degrees of comparison. In English, most adjectives have three different forms to show degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. The positive is used to describe one item, group, or person. The comparative degree is used to describe two items, people, or groups. And superlative degree is used to describe three or more items or groups or people. Let's see some adjectives in all the three types of degrees: positive, comparative, superlative. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Slow, slower, slowest. Tall, taller, tallest. Long, longer, longest. Fine, finer, finest. White, whiter, whitest. Large, larger, largest. Brave, braver, bravest. Dark, darker, darkest. Small, smaller, smallest. Blunt, more blunt, most blunt. Wonder, more wonderful, most wonderful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Useful, more useful, most useful. Timid, more timid, most timid. Foolish, more foolish, most foolish. Delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Excited, more excited, most excited. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. So here we talked about some of the adjectives in all the three degrees. Next activity question, do as directed. Here we have given sentences and asked to turn in the remaining degrees. First one, advertisers are one of the biggest players in big data. And the degree of this sentence in positive is as very few players in big data are as big as advertisers, and the comparative degree which is given here is advertisers are bigger than most other players in big data. Next sentence, no other diagnosis is as good as the diagnosis done with the help of big data. And the answers are the diagnosis done with the help of big data is the best diagnosis. Next sentence, the diagnosis done with the help of big data is better than any other diagnosis. Next sentence, these internet giants provide the greatest data about people. And the answers, no, other internet giants provide as great data about people as these. These internet giants provide greater data than any other internet giants about people. Now let's speak about conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that connects two parts of a sentence. Conjunctions have an important function because they join other words and phrases together. Conjunctions are better known as the soul of sentences. Yet, for, and, so, but, or, because, nor are some of the examples of conjunctions. So the question which is given or the activity which is given here is as use conjunctions as well as and either or in the following sentences. Here we have given 5 sentences and both the terms, both the conjunctions as well as and either or are asked to adjust in the sentences. First sentence A. Whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored and analyzed. When we use as well as, the sentence will be as whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored as well as analyzed. Whatever activity we do online is either recorded or monitored or analyzed. Next sentence. Big data has been useful in identifying and tracking the exact location of a place. And the answers are big data has been useful in identifying as well as tracking the exact location of a place. Big data has been useful either in identifying or tracking the exact location of a place. Next sentence. Weather sensors and satellites helps us to understand the weather and help in weather forecasting. And the answers are weather sensors and satellites help us to understand the weather as well as help in weather forecasting. Weather sensors and satellites either helps us to understand the weather or help in weather forecasting. Next sentence. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemic and diseases. And the answers are big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics as well as diseases. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of either epidemics or diseases. And the last sentence. New insights have enabled the banks and finance companies to come up with suitable plans. And the sentences are new insights have enabled the banks as well as finance companies to come up with suitable plans. New insights have enabled either the banks or finance companies to come up with suitable plans. Next activity which is given is interview of a student regarding the career. Here in the term, in the concept of interview questions, two persons are very much important. First one is interviewer and second one is interviewee. Here teacher is interviewer and the student is interviewee, means one who is going to give the answers asked by the interviewer. Let's discuss the interview between teacher and a student. Teacher. Hello Kunal, how are you? It's nice to meet you personally after a long time. Kunal. Hello ma'am, I'm fine. It's nice to see you too. Teacher. How is your study? Your HSC exam is scheduled to start in next month. Kunal. It's pretty well. Trying to put all my efforts. Teacher. What are your future career plans? What are you doing after 12th? Student. Means Kunal. Actually, it depends on marks. My dad wants me to pursue engineering. Teacher, then what have you decided? Are you thinking different? Kunal, no ma'am, I am thinking the same. It's my pleasure to tell you that I am preparing myself for JEE exam too. Teacher, that's great. I am very pleased to know that you are becoming an engineer. Thanks ma'am. I have accepted this challenge and will try my level best. Teacher, what's a confidence? You know Kunal, William Hazlitt once said, as it as is our confidence, so is our capacity. Kunal, thanks ma'am. Thanks for talking with me. Teacher, all the best. Engineer Kunal, keep it up. Have a nice day. Next activity question. Write down the skills required for doing jobs in following areas. So here in our textbook we have provided some areas and asked to suggest some of the skills required for the field. Here jobs are given in first column and skills are provided in the next one. Clinical data management. Which are the skills which are necessary for it? Teamwork, communication, project management, database, etc. In the job of network operations, analytical thinking, creativity, client handling, multitaskability are some of the skills which are really needed for the job. Data processing, monitoring, active listening, decision making, programming are some of the necessary skills for data processing job. Next, data operations and research. Presentation, data visualization, data collection and statistical are some of the necessary skills for the job. And next one is data entry operations. Data conversion, typing, proofreading and concentration are some of the skills which are really essential for the job of data entry operations. So in this way, today we have discussed about the icebreakers and brainstorming activities of our fourth lesson, Big Data, Big Insights. Now we will meet in the next video with new information. Till then, take good care of yourself. Thank you.